Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create an activity with your Google Slide. It's really easy. You're able to create as many as you'd like, and it's also going to be more engaging for students because it allows them to move things around on the screen. All right, let's get started. All right, so we're going to create this conversation between two people, and I recommend that you create your conversation first, seeing what you want to include in it. And then you can start using your Control-Shift to copy each section to make it into small images. Now the main reason for this is because then students can't edit the text boxes. You really just want it to be an image that they can move around the Google Slide. Now, after you copy all your conversation or all the text in the conversation, then you're gonna move it over to the masters and make sure it all fits together. I definitely realized that I did not have enough text boxes, so then I had to make some shifting and copying them, and it's really easy to copy it. You literally just hit Control-C and Control-V, and then bam. Depending on if you have a PC or a Mac, I have the info at the bottom there. Also, I hate when it gets hidden behind because then you have to change the order, right? So you bring it to the front. Well, there's that shortcut right there in the front as well. Control-Shift up to bring it forward, or Control-Shift down if you want to bring it back. Command if you're using a Mac. I just always say Control for some reason. But anyways, I'm over here organizing, making sure that the little bits are where they're supposed to be, cutting out some of that blank spaces so I could make those text boxes smaller. Once I get the text boxes where I want it to be, it's all figured out. It looks nicely on here. So you just want to get the text boxes, and that's the only thing that you're going to take over once you exit out of the master. So then you hit Control-V, it pastes everything on there, and the text boxes should be the only thing that you can edit. The other stuff should not be editable, like it's just to view, okay? Now, one thing that I noticed on here is that it's white text boxes and it's a white background. So instead of changing the background, I just decided to add a text box where I was going to put all the answers or all the parts of the conversation. And that way the students knew where to start, and then they would have a chance to see where each text goes. They get to figure it out. Now, oh, yellow is too bright. All right, so let's go with a lighter one. And actually, I'm gonna change the color of these text boxes as well because I already used these colors in another one. So I'm gonna switch this to, I don't know what color. I can't really use white, but I guess I'm gonna go with something like gray because of her sweater. And then these ones, no, I don't want blue. I think I'm gonna change them. Maybe make them match something like her bag or something. Yeah, let's go with purple. All right, that looks pretty. All right, so then I exit out of that one and it is ready to go. So now when students come in, they're gonna move the images and try to figure out which goes first, which part of the conversation is a question, and which one is the answer. That's my kid. All right, well, that is it for today. Hopefully this added a new tool to your toolbox too, and a new activity for your class this fall. Let me know if you do end up getting to use it or if you make something like this. This conversation is actually gonna be shared on my TPT for free, so feel free to download it if you want. Maybe I'll add a link below as well. Well, good job everyone. Hasta luego, and have a good, safe year.